Guys, hope you've all been doing well and happy new month. So, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to create very simple and very effective Facebook ads. Will be for your business or you're using it as a side hustle to like promote other people's business. Okay, so basically, I said it is very simple and effective and even safer because there are a lot of other methods of running Facebook ads, but like this method I'll be showing you in this video is like the simplest and the safest. If you're a little bit savvy with Facebook ads, you must have heard of Facebook ads account block or ban. And with this method, with this approach, you're going to be like reducing the chances of getting your ad account blocked. Okay, so guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and give this video a like while I dive into the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to be doing is to download the Meta Ads Manager app. So this is the app here. So if you want to download the app, you can download it using your Google Play Store, your Apple Store. Okay, so I'm just gonna head over to Google Play Store here, and this here is the app Meta Ads Manager. So if you do not have this app already, ensure you download it. When you download it, you have to like connect your Facebook page to this app. So um anticipating that, or I know that if you want to run Facebook ads, you already have a Facebook page. So if you don't have a Facebook page already and you don't know how to create one, I have a video on that. So I'm gonna be linking it to this video in the description box. So make sure you check that out if you don't know how to create a Facebook page for your business or for yourself. So when you download the Meta Ads Manager, you're gonna be connecting it with your Facebook page. That's very simple. Okay. So after doing that, time to create your ads. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is to click on this plus sign here, the green plus sign, and you're going to be getting a list of objectives to choose from. That is like, what is the purpose of your ad? Is it for engagement? With engagement, you're going to be getting more messages, more videos, post engagement and page likes, things like that. Or is it going to be for awareness? You want to let people know about your business, you want to create awareness? Or is it for traffic? Do you want to drive traffic to a certain site or app or Facebook? Okay. Or do you want to like get leads? Are you an affiliate marketer? You want to get leads, you want to get more people, okay? Or do you want to make sales for your product, for your goods? Or you want to promote an app that you created? So these are the choices you can make and choose from. So I'm going to be clicking on engagement. So this ad I will be creating for this tutorial is just an engagement ad. So I'm going to be clicking on engagement here, and I'm going to be doing that manually. You can go ahead to like choose any of these, but I will be doing manually for this video. Excuse me. So I'm waiting for it to load here. Okay, so this is the campaign. So we have to like name the campaign, give the campaign a name. So I'm just going to be giving this campaign a name, YouTube campaign. Okay, special ad category. Declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, or housing, or about politics. No. So I'm just gonna go back. Ads does not involve politics. So for the budget, the actual amount you want to spend per day depends on you. Depends on how fast you want to reach people. So for my daily, I'm just gonna be putting 3K here. You can start with 1.5. Okay, I think 1.5 is allowed. Okay, get the most results, highest volume, cost per result. Okay, so I'm just going to be going back and click next. So for my ad set name, you can go ahead to name your ad. YouTube. Okay, I'm just gonna go back here, messaging apps. Okay, so if you want to send your ad to Facebook, you're gonna be putting Facebook here. If you want to send it to a site, do that. But I'm gonna be leaving my messaging apps because I'm gonna be using my WhatsApp for this ad. Okay, I'm gonna be using my WhatsApp to receive. Sorry for me. So I'm gonna be using my WhatsApp. So I'm gonna be leaving it here on messaging apps. So for my schedule, like how do I want the ad to run? So this is my own trick here. You want to leave the ads on running. So this is the start date, but I'm not going to be putting an end date. Okay, I'm not going to be talking on the end date on button because I want the ad to run. With this running ads, you can like easily fund your account without so much problem from Facebook. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave it like this and go back. So for my audience, so it depends on you, depends on what you want. So for my audience, I want so I'm just going to create a new audience. So for the audience, I want both male and female. Yeah, so let's see, minimum age I want 18 and maximum age should be, okay, I think 65 is okay for all audience. For my location, I'm gonna edit it. So if you want to target whole Nigeria, that's good. If you want to target if you want to target specific places, you can go ahead. If you want to target different countries, you can also do the same. Depends on your type of business and your ability to like deliver. Okay, so I'm just gonna edit my locations. I don't want just Nigeria, so I'm gonna be adding some places. Okay, Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, Port Harcourt. Yeah. So basically, you get the gist. I don't want the video to be too long. You can add as much as you want. Keep adding and adding. Okay. So I think I have to add more because my audience is going to be really small with just Port Harcourt and Abuja. I'm just going to add a few more cities here. Lagos, Nigeria, Ibadan, Edo States. So I'm not going to be going with this. So I'm going to click on tick. So if you want to go ahead for detailed targeting, you can like exclude some places and all that. Okay, so I'm there's something I'm looking for here for the interest, people's interest that are likely to click your ad. I want to add that. Yeah, this is it. Demographics, people to add. Yeah, this is it. So do you want to add people that are into skincare, that love skincare or hair care, things like that, depends on the business you're running ads for. Okay, so you're just gonna add that. So you can also search, let's say, business owners. You add it. Let's say luxurious people, luxury lifestyle. You add it. So you get the gist of what I'm doing, right? So I'm just gonna click on tick. So these are the people I want to see my ad, people that are into business and finance, people that are into luxury lifestyle, that are gonna be like easily pay. Okay, so that's all for my audience. So I'm just gonna go back here. Then okay, I'm just gonna go back. Then for my placements, I'm gonna click on edit here. So I'm gonna keep it as advantage placement, because like Facebook know what to do. I think advantage placement is better, because Facebook know how they're gonna like place your ad. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Then I'm gonna click on next. So you can go ahead to name your ad again. It's not really compulsory, but let me just name it YouTube. Then this is where you have to like set up your ad. Are you going to be like using an image or a video, or do you want to create a carousel? Depends on you. So do you want to create a fresh ad, or want to use an existing post from your Facebook page? I usually make posts on my Facebook page before starting this ad setup. So I usually use an existing post. I'm going to click on it. Then the post here, it's gonna bring me to my Facebook page that I connected to this Meta Ad Manager. So I'm just going to choose a particular ad. Okay, so let me just go with this first one here. As you can see, it's already showing that this is an ad on waist trainers. Okay, so for your ad creatives, this website here, this is where you're going to be like putting your website if you're using a website. Okay, then over here is your call to action. What kind of message do you want? Should you shop now, book now, sign up, whatever? Then I'm just gonna be editing all this website. So so for this since I'm sending it to my WhatsApp, I'm going to be using send WhatsApp message. Okay, let's see ad preview what it's going to look like. So I couldn't preview it wasn't loading, so let's just go back. And I'm going to click on review here. So when you get here and you see that this publish button is green, that means everything is right here. So let's just go through it. YouTube campaign details for engagement, budget per day 3,000 naira. Let's see, show more. Okay, your schedule is ongoing. This is what I was telling you. You don't have to set an end date. Yeah, just do it like I did. Ensure it's ongoing, because it's going to save you a lot of money, trust me. When you have it on ongoing, you can easily fund your account. Very easy. It's easier to fund your account with ongoing. And this is also when you're ready, you're going to click on publish, and that is all easy peasy, right? This method is very easy, is safer and really effective. Okay, so if you're finding it difficult to use the website method of creating ads in businesses, you can use this method. This method is safe, it's easier. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. Leave this video with a like, and if you want me to do any particular video on how to make money, you can leave it in the comment section and I will say it. So basically this is it for this video, and with this video I just showed you, you can use it to make a lot of money. You can run Facebook ads for your products. Is it a hair product, is it an ebook, or you can also use this method to run ads for other businesses. You can like use the Facebook ads to like advertise yourself that you run ads for other businesses, and they're going to pay you for that. I also do that. So if you want me to run an ad for your agency or for your business, you can leave it in the comment section. I'm going to see you, and I'm going to like contact you. Okay, so this is the end, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.